Most people get this wrong and think Amazon gift cards and Amazon Balance are two different things you can switch between. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, they are closely connected, but they are not the same thing. In this video, you'll learn the exact difference between Amazon gift cards and Amazon Balance, how money moves between them, and why people get confused when checking their account. Let's start right away. An Amazon gift card is the original form of value. It is a code, usually 16 digits or a scratch card, that you redeem. When Alex enters that code into Amazon, it does not stay as a gift card. Instead, it converts into Amazon account balance instantly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Amazon Balance is the usable money inside your account. It is what you see in your wallet section, and it can be used for shopping, Prime membership, digital purchases, and more. So in simple terms, gift card is the input, and balance is the result. But here's the problem many users face. They think both exist separately. So when they redeem a gift card, they still look for a gift card section, expecting to see it stored there. Jake did this, and thought his money disappeared, when in reality, it had already converted into account balance. Now let's break it down clearly. When you redeem a gift card, Amazon instantly adds it to your balance. There is no separate holding area for the card anymore. It becomes part of your total account funds. Now, here's another important detail. Amazon Balance can come from multiple sources, not just gift cards. It can include refunds, promotional credits, cashback, or even returned orders. So your balance is a combined total of all these sources. Gift card is just one way to increase that balance. But here's where people get confused again. Some users think they can transfer gift card value separately, or move it to another account. That is not possible. Once redeemed, it stays locked in that Amazon account as balance. Now let's talk about usage. Both gift card balance and regular Amazon balance behave exactly the same when you shop. There is no difference in checkout. Amazon automatically merges everything into one wallet. So if John buys a product worth $50 and has gift card balance or regular balance, Amazon does not treat them differently. It just deducts from the same pool. So let's quickly summarize. A gift card is the code you redeem, and Amazon Balance is the money you actually use. Once redeemed, both become the same thing inside your account. If this cleared your confusion, like the video, comment your question, and subscribe for more simple Amazon explanations that actually make sense in 2026.